So let's think about this. Here's what I want everybody to do. I want you to pull out your phone. I know you're thinking, you're going, what? We're on a Zoom call. What are you talking about? And I want you to pull up your contacts. And I want you to pull up your contact list. Right? And if you notice in mine, I have, can you see? Wait a minute, it's not, how many contacts?
Oh
Can you
boy.
see that?
I see a 2 and a comma.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
That's enough.
2090. Monica, 2090.
Many friends.
I don't either. I don't know half of them, but contacts. I probably don't even know like 200 of them in all reality.
Oh, what kind of phone do you have?
That's an iPhone, so it'll be at the top. On an Android, I think it's at the bottom of the contact list.
It's at the top of mine. I have an Android and it's at the top.
Okay, all
You
right.
go
So
to contacts and right under the top of it, it says.
perfect.